Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to change your name on Pizza Hut app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to change your name on Pizza Hut app. We'll start opening up your Pizza Hut app. Once you open up your application, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the bottom right hand corner where it says account. Tap on that. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, look toward the mirror of your screen. You're going to see where it says profile. Make sure you tap on where it says profile right there. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, make sure you tap where it says edit on the upper right hand corner by your name. Make sure you tap where it says edit right there. Then you arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, make sure you put the correct name that you want to be put. And once you're done correcting your name, look on the bottom where it says save. Make sure you tap on save right there. Once you tap on save, then you're gonna see your name change. And that's how you change your name on Pizza Hut app. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial as you can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.